lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amarachi here again. How are you guys doing? How is your side? How is the weather? How is the pandemic over there? How is life overall? I hope you guys are staying safe. So today I decided to bring to you another cleaning motivational video. My fans have been telling me to bring more of cleaning video, so I decided to bring this one to the table. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I just decided to motivate someone out there to clean your house. It's always good to clean your house because cleanliness is next to godliness. So right now I'm just cleaning my room. So I just finished arranging the bed. I'm cleaning the windows. It's kind of dusty, so I just decided to clean the windows today. So after cleaning the windows, I will go ahead and vacuum the floor. So keep watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, just take a cup of tea, a cup of freshly juiced fruits, sit down with some cookies and enjoy this video. Or better still, you can just get hold of anything and start cleaning your house. Okay, since this video is just for motivation, so get up and clean with me. Yes, clean with me. Let's do it together. You can do it, guys. You can do it. Just get whatever you know that you want to do. Get it. You can start cleaning your windows or even arranging your bed. Everything. Just do something, okay? Let's clean together. So I'm in the second room now. I'm just packing out the dried clothes from the hanger. I'm arranging it. I'll also be arranging my closet. I'll be arranging all the clothes in the wardrobe. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just folding up the dried clothes from the hanger. I will be transferring it to the closet. Keep watching. If you have not yet thumbs up for this video, please give this video a thumb up, okay? And also, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and also put on the bell so that you get to be notified when I upload a video. And don't forget, I upload 3 videos every week. Okay, so stay tuned. So I just finished cleaning the closet. I'll be vacuuming the floor, and I didn't clean up the windows of this room because there's no need cleaning it. It's not dirty. Okay, there's no need of cleaning the windows when it's not dirty. So I just decided to leave it for some other time. So I just finished cleaning the rooms now. I'm in the sitting room. I'm folding the blankets. I normally have that blanket close to me whenever I'm watching movie or series at night, because since it's getting cold, we are in autumn and the cold is coming gradually, so you have to keep yourself warm. So I'm just arranging the sitting room. I'll be cleaning the windows of the sitting room because it's kind of dusty. Okay, it's kind of dusty, so I'm cleaning the windows of the sitting room, just dusting it all over. Okay. So I just finished cleaning the windows. I'll be arranging the chairs. I'll be placing the sheet of the chairs properly and also putting the pillows properly. Okay, just the way I'm doing it. You have to arrange it very well. I hope you guys are enjoying this cleaning motivational video with me, and I hope you are joining me in cleaning my house too. Yes, and guys, when you are cleaning your house, you are also doing exercise. So if you want to lose weight, I would advise that you clean your house regularly. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to go to the gym before you lose weight. Those little exercise, those little movement that you do counts. Okay, if you want to lose weight, don't just sit on the couch and eat and watch movie all day long. No, at least you do some walking around the house, like the way I'm cleaning the house, the way I'm walking up and down. Those stuff is still counting. Okay, you are boosting your blood circulation, your heart beat is going up, and that way you are losing weight. Yes, you are losing weight even without you knowing it. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning vlog with me. You can write it in the comment section below what you think about this my cleaning video, and what you want me to correct, and what video you want me to do next for you to see. Okay, I would like to see your positive opinion, and also I want to say thank you all for always staying tuned, for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you all. Thank you very much. I so much appreciate you guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel at this point, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, put on the bell so that you get to notify when I upload a new video, okay guys? Thank you very much for watching this awesome video. And if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. And also leave your positive or your negative comments in the comment section below. And I will be right there to answer your positive or your negative comments, okay? Anyhow you feel about this video, just leave it below and I will be there to respond to you. Stay safe and stay blessed. Much love. Bye.